Hello everyone, and welcome to another segment of I Wonder at the Maryland Science Center. Well, today I'm wondering, have you ever been to a party where someone takes a balloon, basically, and they filled it up with helium gas, okay, the kind of helium you see in balloons all the time that float, and then they inhale it, and something really funny happens to their voice, like this.
All of a sudden their voice just sounds kind of weird. It sounds higher pitched and kind of squeaky. Why does that happen? I'm not forcing it, I'm just talking normally, I think, but it sounds higher, right?
Well, the reason that happens is because helium is a lighter gas than the gases that we typically breathe. And sound waves, which are vibrations that travel through the air, travel faster through a lighter gas than they do through a heavier gas. We can see on our periodic table of elements here, for example, helium is only number 2, hydrogen is number 1, much lighter, and helium is one of the lightest gases, while nitrogen and oxygen, which make up our atmosphere, are heavier gases than helium. We can also see this, of course, with a helium balloon. We fill the balloon up with helium, and what happens when we let go? It floats. It's less dense. Helium is less dense than oxygen or nitrogen. We can also test this effect on what's called a membranophone, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to blow through this real quick. What's happening is my breath is blowing through the tube. This balloon is causing the vibrations and creates, well, kind of a low to medium pitched sound. But I take the helium and I blow through it. Hear how the sound or the pitch went higher and higher? Again, as a tube filled up with helium, the sound waves traveled faster through the helium than it did when I simply blew through it and the tube was filled with oxygen and nitrogen. And so that's why your voice sounds squeaky when you inhale helium at a party for a trick. Now, by the way, a couple of things about this. If you're ever doing this for fun at a party, okay, first of all, always do it with a grown-up present. Number 2, never inhale a helium directly from the pressurized bottle, okay? That can really do serious damage to your lungs. And number 3, only do it once. Remember, your body needs oxygen, so if you keep on trying to get a laugh inhaling helium, that can also be kind of hazardous to your health. I hope you enjoyed this segment of I Wonder.